Welcome back to the Puppets Academy. I am Juan Lu.
And I am Jasper. And today we will be talking about the next set of ventriloquial ladles.
That's right. Today we will be practicing with the letters F as in fish and the letter M as in microphone.
Oh, F as in fish and M as in microphone.
That's right. You all know the secret already. It's word substitution. For the letter B, we did learn that we exchange the letter B and use the letter D as in dog instead. For F, we use the TH sound.
The what?
The TH sound. Try it. TH. TH. Yeah. For example, you say fish and then you don't say fish because your lips will move.
That's right. That's so difficult. Fish.
All right. So instead of saying fish, you actually say fish. Fish. Okay. TH. Fish.
That's so difficult.
Well, you can do it, Jasper, with enough practice. Just practice in front of the mirror.
Fish. I caught a very big fish.
You caught a very big fish?
Oh yeah, I caught a very big fish.
He caught a very big fish. Okay, again, the secret is word substitution. Instead, you basically use the TH sound for the letter F. Let's try another F word. Fantasy.
Fantasy. How do you say fantasy without moving your lips?
Well, you use the TH sound.
Fantasy. 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 Fantasy.
Use the TH sound. All right, now we go to the letter M.
Oh, this one's so difficult.
Yeah, for example, the word let's see, what can you think of an M word?
Magic.
Magic. Oh, I love magic.
I love magic.
I love magic.
Magic.
All right. So the word substitution here is use the letter N as in November instead of the letter M in magic. So instead of saying magic, you say magic. Magic. Again, don't forget, your tongue slightly or gently touches the back of your upper teeth when you pronounce the letter N when you say the word magic.
Magic. Magic.
Okay, don't forget the tongue. Can you try it, Jasper?
Magic. Magic. I love magic. Magic.
All right, so magic becomes magic, but your tongue gently touches the back of your teeth.
Magic. Magic. I love magic.
Who's your favorite magician?
My favorite magician is David Copperfield.
David Copperfield. I like David Copperfield. I love David Copperfield.
I love David Copperfield.
All right, so that's it. Check out the next lesson. Bye.
Bye.